bloody bag off his head. Hello and welcome to Tactical Ferret. As you can see by the giant coat and the massive hat, that I am quite clearly the one who's in charge. Right. I'm not the one in charge, but I am right up there. Oh. Fair enough.
We'll go down here.
Got a couple in this top corner, keep trying to push through, but
As we get to your training, you'll find that I will become your worst nightmare. I'll be... Oh. Okay, I'm not your worst nightmare, but I am right up there. You'll find that I am a hard but fair slave master.
I've got it.
We will be doing things that might seem a bit unfortunate, and also a bit unruly. But you'll find that I am fair, stern, and swift. When we take the fight to the Blues, on the federal side, they will know that the Republic, and particularly the TAC Ferrets, are not to be trifled with. Right, gentlemen? Let's go. On the Republic team? No, because we're the Federals. Fucked it.
That makes you good.